All right.
That's as fast as it's going.
So today's video's on my daughter Hensley's little four-wheel bike go-kart electric thing we built.
And new cute.
Hensley and I had to put some new tubes and tires on the front of her bike. So we built it in, what, like 5 years ago?
Yeah, something like that.
Or twisting. Alright, go straight. Come on this way. And how'd we build it?
We took 3 bicycles. We used 2 for the frames and then 1 for the handlebars. And we also used the pedals for feet rests. And then this is the throttle and this is brakes.
Show them how the throttle works.
The throttle is connected to a paper which presses on the drill, the drill press thing.
So we just used a brake caliper like for a normal bicycle. We actually just took the one off that side and used it to power the drill. And then we bought this little gearbox off of Amazon that's like for like a little moped, like a little 50cc moped or something, and ran the little drive chain and sprocket from that to a little shaft that connects the two where the pedals used to go. And then those chains go to this chain. So it's actually a torquey little guy. It does pretty good. In fact, why do we have this, Hence?
Some of my friends, they were riding it and it wheelied and it tipped over.
It would wheelie over and the little boys would be crying. So we ended up, I had this wheel sitting around and we went and put a little wheelie bar on it, my buddies and I. And we've actually messed it up a little bit over the years because this thing is torquey enough that full-size adults can ride it. And it might be a bit much for the bike frames. I think we bent the bike frame a little and it likes to throw a chain. Granted, the chains are a little loose. I need to tighten the back wheels or put a chain tensioner or something on there. Just go up the end of the road and back. All right.
That's as fast as it's going.
What's that?
That's as fast as it was going.
Okay. Well, we can kick it up to high gear eventually and see if you can do that now that you're older. All right. Let's give Callie a turn. Clear?
You almost have to put their foot pedals down a little more for them.
Well, they've gotten bigger.
I know. That's what I'm saying.
All right. The one side's go, the other side's stop.
You're okay.
Give her the onion. Squeeze it. All the way. Torquey. A little bit of torque steer there. Okay. Oh, this chain came off. No wonder it's going sideways. Here, hold this, Hence. Okay, just give me a second. Hey, Biddy, what do you think of it? Is it pretty cool?
Yeah.
Okay. Works pretty good. Check this out. Even I can ride it. And I'm not a little guy. I'm like 250 pounds. It's a little bit of a jungle gym adventure to get into it, but... Oh, I just threw the chain?
No, you don't.
Oh, okay. I will. Whoa, I just broke the chain. Well... That's what happens when a fat guy rides a little bike. I did ride it earlier, and I had the camera in time warp mode. Anyhow, what do you do? It's pretty fun. So, let me know in the comments if you think I should build a bigger one for me. This one's a little small. I think it'd be cool to maybe get a couple bikes that have like the full suspension, like little mountain bikes, and build one out of that. Let me know. Let me know if you think this is cool. Let Hensley know what you think of her little project. We built it in like a morning, like 5 years ago. It didn't take us very long. We just took some pipe and some parts and some little tie rod ends from the hardware store and made a little go-kart. It doesn't take a lot to have some fun. All right, well, this has been Hensley's little four-wheeler bike project. Remember, me and Jesus love you. Talk to you later.
Here, let's put the go